Welcome back to my Flavortown channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and refreshing banana pudding. And there you have it, a scrumptious banana pudding. Moreover, in this video, I'm going to explain to you what are the benefits of gelatin. So make sure to stay until the video wraps up. We need 4 bananas, 400 grams. Cut into pieces. Add them to a blender. Then pour in 320 grams of cream. (160 milliliters of milk), dissolve 2 tablespoons of gelatin in 4 tablespoons of hot water. Gelatin improves skin elasticity, strengthens bones, supports joint health, strengthens hair and nails, promotes gut health. Excellent protein source in gelatin enhances sleep quality. Now add the gelatin mixture to the blender as well. Let's add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. (1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Blend until the bananas are smooth and creamy. Once all the ingredients are blended together, add pinch of salt and mix well. Grease with butter. Dish size 25 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Pour the mixture into a greased dish and refrigerate for about 2 hours. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means a lot. Handful of nuts. Decorate with chopped nuts or grated chocolate. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.